What up, YouTube? It's your brother Trey, man, the Duke of Hanover, back with another video, you guys. Just taking a recap at the week that just perspired, you guys. Before we get into the trading and stuff like that, man, I just kind of want to update you on the lifestyle a little bit, man. As you can tell, your boy finally got a fucking haircut. Damn, I think it's been like 2 months. Jesus, I look completely different, man. I love to. It's nice to have the little things, every now and then, especially when you're just working so fucking hard, you're just so focused with stuff. And yeah, man, I'm feeling great. I'm about to lose one of my jobs. I know one of that sounds like, what the fuck, that's a bad thing. Well, what's crazy is that I actually got hit up for another job, man. And this job is just like, it's almost unbelievable. Like, things come to me like in like the weirdest of times, man. It's like when I want stuff, I don't necessarily get it all the time, but it comes when the blessings just come when you need it, I guess. I don't know. But I got blessed with another position, so I'm this close to being free, man. Like I don't know how else to say it, you guys. I think that when I dropped out of college, man, I told myself that I was gonna find another way to become successful. I didn't understand that it was gonna be this fucking tough. I did not think. I knew I had the confidence in myself and the abilities that I had, that I was gonna be able to get to life and get to the point where I'm at like right now and even further. You know what I'm saying? But I didn't think it was gonna be this hard. It's fucking it's tough. But you didn't come here to hear me say that type of shit, man. So um, let's go ahead and just talk about this trading, and let's talk about the future with stuff, man. So let's just jump right into it, you guys. And as you can tell, here working, got my work from home set up. What's popping? You know what I mean? Still got the 10 monitors. This job is gonna be going though. I'm about to. They put me on a final because of certain shit, and I don't know. I'm really thinking about just quitting. I might just quit, but I kind of just still want to get another check. I've already secured my funds. Let's just say that I've secured plenty of fucking. I need to, like. There's a point where I want to stop being so humble with shit, man. I done secured a fucking bag. Like I've secured lots of fucking bags, and I'm glad to be in this position right now, you guys. I feel like I've stayed very consistent, and I've stayed down for a long time, and so um this is what I've been spending my money on. This is what I've been spending a lot of my money on, you guys. And so this is one of my accounts, you guys. You can't log in, you don't know the password, shit like that. And I'm down $2,100 in this trading account, you guys. And so let's take a look at the curve here. This is what I started off at last week. I was at 47,500. And low key, I was actually at 46,500. I was actually like $1,000 away from losing this account. And as the week progressed, I actually was up 49,500. It says 4,900, but I was actually up at a time 49,500. So, the first half of the week, I was doing good, as you could tell. Went up, down a little bit, went up again, and then I went up even more. You guys, I made 4% on this account in like 2-3 days, which is $2,000. I made $2,000 on this $50,000 account in 2-3 days, and it was great. And so I was getting a little cocky, and I wanted to try some new shit out. Ended up fucking up the account, destroying the account, man. I ended up, I think Wednesday or Thursday is when I did it, man. I was so hurt. I was sick. Fuck, dude. Like this trading shit is crazy, man. This trading is crazy. And so I was down a hell of a lot, and then I ended up rebounding again, and I ended up actually, what, I was down to 500. I ended up leaving the week off with an extra $300, you guys. So nothing to brag about, you guys, but it's a crazy game, man. It's a crazy game. So let's go ahead and look into the trades that I took. All right, look at that. I was actually down one. I actually had 1,300 left, man. I was 1,300 away from my overall loss limit. So what's been different, you guys? And you can take a look at my risk to reward ratio, stuff like that. Average winning trade $71. Average losing trade is $90 at the moment. Lots of trades, lots of lots. Average risk to reward is actually not even a 1-to-1 at the moment, and I have a 50% win rate right now, you guys. So not the best account, not the best trading at all. But I'm learning. I'm learning a lot, and what I've been learning this week and what I've been testing out is position. Before, like a couple weeks ago, I was actually just doing really mini lot sizes because I was on a terrible losing streak, a horrendous losing streak. What I ended up doing was my early, like, I've been trading consistently now for the past 4 to 5 months, and so actually about no less than 3 months lately. And so during the first couple like the first month, I decided to just go with some signal groups. And so let's talk about this real quick, and then I'll get into it. So I've been using some signal groups. I spent a couple thousand just in jumping in a bunch of signal groups to find out who has the best signals. And I ended up finding some comfort and some gains with Forex. Right? So Forex, I'm not gonna get into it. I'll probably make a separate video about them and everything like that. But long story short, they started to lose a lot. I was winning a lot with them, and you can still win with them. I think they still make some decent trades, but after a while, man, their strategies are just fucking weird, man. They go against the trend. While it works sometimes going against the trend, it's just not good all the time. And then there were days where I was waiting on a signal and I just couldn't really find a trade because I was waiting on a signal. So I was like, you know what, man, this is not good. I'm not really learning how to trade for myself if I'm using signal groups. And so the past 2-3 weeks, I've just stopped using them. I've just been trying to trade on my own. And so that's where a lot of the confusion and a lot of the falling and the losses are coming from. I'm finding out good different strategies, scaling in, scaling against it. And so this week was a stupid losses. I lost probably a good $2,000 on some stupid trades. But at the same time, you guys, I'm learning. I know now not to do it. I'm someone that kind of learns by bumping his head, man. I gotta bump my head because I don't trust a lot of what people say online. I don't trust the competency of a lot of people. Just being quite real with me, and I'm not trying to be like like holier than thou or anything like that. But like I just really truly genuinely distrust the process and the competency of many people, and so it's hard for me to take what another person says as beyond face value when it's like I don't know you. You know what I'm saying? But long story short, you guys, that's been the main reason of my losses. For this week. So let's look at the trades. Friday was an interesting day. Friday was a very, very interesting day. Now, last week I said that Friday and Monday is probably not the best trading days, but let's see here. Yeah. So I woke up on Friday, right? We'll start like going back, right? Well, I woke up on Friday at like 1 something and made a terrible trade, man. 2 lots for $500 loss, you guys. I like that could have easily been a win. That could have easily been a good as buy. I just woke up in the morning, saw price at a weird position. I was like, you know what? Fuck it. Let me just place a trade. Put the stop loss above it, and then put my stop loss there. Put the trade in, and I just went to sleep. Woke up and I was down $600. I should have did the opposite direction, man. Once again, this trade right here was just straight up bad entries, bad trading right here, man. I even let's see if I could just pull up the charts here. Where's the chart? Where is the chart? All right, so Friday London Open, you guys. This is where I placed just a shitty trade, bro. Like there's no excuses behind it. Just a shitty trade, you guys. Let's actually look at what I did, man. So you don't have to go through these same fucking mistakes because this is just you don't have to do all that. You don't have to have all these losses, like I've been losing. So is this it? Yeah, this is it. Okay, so fuck. My bad, you guys. My bad. All right, so on the left side it says 183.785. 183.785. The start of the London session 183.75. 183.75. Look at this, man. Shit. it was even before London opened. I placed a sell right here, you guys. Right here, man. That's just not good right there, bro. That's stupid trade. And so I let it run until the top of this motherfucking right here. This motherfucker, right? I like it like up here, I'm pretty sure, right? Where did it close price? 184, 185. So I placed a sell here and it ended up 184, 185 up here, you guys. Up here. Up here. Oh my God. Wow. I let it run for that long. You guys. This is just stupid trading. Stupid trading. Why the fuck would I put a sell right here instead of a buy? Right? Granted, I just woke up sleepy and shit like that, but this is just not good, man. Just not good. Stupid as fucking trades, man. It's a lot of stupid trades that hold me back. And so that's why I'm so confident in my trading now, because it's like I do stupid shit that destroys my gains. But then when I do get my trading right, oh my God, I'm amazing with it. I'm just amazing with it, you guys. And so that was the first trade of Friday. And then I placed another trade, lost $50. Woke up, man, I was like, fuck it, whatever. I'm waiting for London open. London opened up, placed a 2 lot, got $200 with gold, put a little 0.05 just to kind of test the market a little bit. And then I put a little 1 to test the market a little bit more. And look, I lost another fucking 300 damn near with GJ. I've just been losing so terribly with GJ, you guys. So fucking terribly with GJ. And then NASDAQ got a nice $670 win with NAS. And then another 150 for the most part. And then another 200 with NAS, bro. NAS has been one of my worst pairs. And gold and it's weird. Okay, just a couple months ago, gold and NASDAQ have been the reason I have destroyed accounts. And GJ was my saving grace. And now it's completely reversed. I'm making money with gold and I'm making money with NASDAQ. Really good fucking returns with these pairs. And GJ, I just can't seem to get it anymore. Just can't seem to get it. Let's take a look. Even on Thursday, you guys, look, 265, $286, man, 100. Like great profits with gold and NAS. Look, another 166, 80, lost 90. Lost 58. Like I've been doing great trading the London session, you guys. And then here I lost. This is the stupid trading right here. This is the stupid trading. So in NAS, there was a trade that I thought it was gonna go down, and I was already up a decent amount of profit. So I was up $49,500. $49,000 500 is where I was at, and so I didn't want to lose that money, and so I was testing new shit out, right? I not only did I not want to lose it, but I was also feeling confident. So I thought to do something fucking stupid, which was my trading is losing, right? I chose to sell, and the price is going up now. So what if I buy with the same position size going up, right? I already have placed a 3-lot going down. What if I place a 3-lot going up, right? To cover the, I'll take the little bit of profits of the retracement until the price goes into my favor, and I'll get the profits of what I initially thought the trade direction was going to go into, right? So double the profit. That's what I'm thinking. In a world, that can work in a sense, but it was just not good. Just wasn't good. And so, as you can tell, on Thursday alone, you guys, I lost, oh my God, 800. 700. That's 1,500 all fucking ready. 1,500 right here, and then another fucking 700. 2,200 fucking dollars, bro, just in one day off of this stupid ass trading. 2,200 gone on Thursday. That's what it was, man. And then as you can tell, look, on that same Thursday, though, that same fucking day, I made 900, lost 400 with gold, lost another 200 with GJ, bro. GJ, I have not been winning with GJ. And now that I'm actually looking at it, I have not made any substantial gains with GJ. $113 profit for 4 lot size. I'm not even gonna count that because the lot size was so big. This wasn't a big move. Look at this. One like 551. Okay, 50 like 50 little pips. I mean, sure, but look at this, man. $1,000 loss. The day before as well. $800 loss before. Man, these are some crazy losses, you guys. These are some crazy, crazy numbers of losing, man. Losing. But at the same time, I make the money back, man. I make it back. Your boy been making it back, man. So, yeah, that was the week. That was the week for me, you guys. A very, very weird week. For as much money as I've lost in the market, I'm actually surprised that I'm like I actually went the week with a $300 profit, right? I started the week off at 47,500 and I'm ending it at 47,800. So to end this week off with just an extra $200-$300, you guys, is very surprising, man. This week coming into it, I'm a lot more confident with position sizing, the lots. I'm better at calculating my stop losses and how much money I'm truly actually going to be losing before I take a trade. So that's something that I feel a lot more confident in. I've also had to kind of like lose that fear and gut wrenching emotion when I'm down $400-$500. Now, yes, of course, I don't want to be down that much, but when you're trading big lot sizes and when you're trading large accounts, that's what you're gonna experience. You're gonna have a drawdown of $600, $1,000 even sometimes, and then you watch it go right back up in your favor because you're sticking to your stop losses, right? And so that's another thing too, man. I'm not paper cutting my account by stopping my trade short. I'm actually letting them run through. I'm letting them run their course, and so that little that big ass $500 loss, $550 loss with GJ was like that was the perfect buy. It was actually a perfect trade had I put it in the other position. Should have bought. Don't know what the fuck I was thinking, man. Could have put the support or put my stop loss literally right below the fucking candlestick, you guys. Let me just show you what I'm talking about real quick, man. Like just with this one trade right here with the GJ, you guys. I sold right down here. What I could have did is I should have just bought, put my fucking stop loss somewhere down here, and then if it would have, I would have lost what, $70-$80, if that, once it hits my stop loss. But I came out the market with $540, you guys. That right there is it's just dumb trades. Dumb trades. I don't know what the fuck I was thinking with this, man. Don't know what the fuck I was thinking, but I'm glad it happened because I let it stick to my stop loss. I let the trade play out. And so, even with the losses, I still kind of come out with a win because it's a psychological game, you guys. And just like even just doing these videos, man, it's really so I love doing it because like I'm even taking a good look at my own fucking self, you guys. And this is just crazy, man. This is a very ugly trading curve, but granted, I've been trying a lot of different things here and there, and next week is gonna be a good week for me. There's a lot of fucking trading news coming into a lot of economic news, so I don't really know what to expect in the market. But I know that now my strategy, I'm not following Forex signals anymore, you guys. I'm literally following price action, what I think the market's going to do, what I see the market doing, and I've been doing really good. For the amount of money I've been losing, making stupid ass trades, I really genuinely thought this week I was going to blow the account. I thought that this week I was done with the account. And so to end up not only at the same place, but with actually a $300 profit from last week, you guys, that's fucking surprising. I was up 49,500 by fucking the 5th. What was that? What was the 5th? Fucking Tuesday. Tuesday I was up 40, like by Tuesday, you guys. I had already made fucking $2,500 fucking dollars for the most part. Oh, it was $2,000. I made $2,000 from Monday to Tuesday, you guys. $2,000 fucking dollars. That's 4% of this account. That's crazy. That's good money. And so I know what to do, know what to look for. I'm gonna start eliminating stupid trading. That's really what I'm gonna stop doing. And now I'm ready to just kind of, you know, just win and accomplish these challenges. I'm ready to just start making the money. The thing about it is that I wasn't satisfied with, 1 to 2% a week. I could absolutely get this trading account and pass it, but I'm not okay with just 1 to 2% a week. 1 to 2% a week is absolutely fucking doable, but it's the lowest of the lowest of hanging fruit, and there's nothing wrong with it. I don't like. Let's sit here and talk. Let's talk about that real quick, man. I don't want to set like put into anyone's mind that 1 to 2% of your account is not good. That's great. That's still really good. Me personally, I can do 2 to fucking 4% a day for the like damn near you guys. And so I want to do 1 to 2% a day. That's something that's my goal. Honestly, 2 to 4 cutoff limit, you guys. If I'm making 1,000 in a day, 2%, like 2% of a $50,000 account is 1,000. So if I make 1,000 on my little $50,000 account, I'm good. When I start trading on my $100,000 account again, $2,000 to $3,000 a day, I'm good with that, man. I'm good with that because once I get the actual profit share of these profits, I'll be getting 80-90% of fucking $500-1,000 a day. And if I could come off with the week with a 4K week, you guys, that's 4K a fucking week. That's great. I make 4K a month with one job. You know what I'm saying? So if 4K a week is gonna cover one of my jobs. You know what I'm saying? So that's fucking absolutely phenomenal. It's amazing. And so I'm getting closer and closer to that goal, you guys. I'm seeing some amazing gains. Once again, this week, just for the fact that I gained $2,000 in 2 days, trading is just, amazing to me. But then at the same time, doing stupid shit, you can get it taken away just like that as well, you guys. And so, yeah. DreamCon, man. DreamCon is actually coming up, you guys. One of my like I don't even want to call him a sub, man. Like there's a guy, man, like one of the subscribers he met me through YouTube and stuff like that, man. He's been really updating me and like I feel terrible because I've really been it's just hard for me to socialize and communicate with people because I really try to keep my mindset completely like isolated from the world for the most part because I'm this close to just life just changing, you know what I'm saying? Just being what I want it to be. I'm this close. And so I've been very, very selective with what I let into my mind. But long story short, man, guy's been updating me. He went to DreamCon last year, and I think I'm about to go. I think I'm about to go next year. DreamCon tickets are dropping this Friday, 15th September for the fall drop, and so I think I'm about to go next year. Life is just looking up, man. It's looking up. It's looking really good, man, and I feel great. But it's hard for me to be excited as I once was because to get to this level, it's taken so much of my existence, man, and so like it's not that I'm not happy. I'm not excited. It's not that I'm not excited. It's just it's like when you know what it takes, to get to this level and what it took for you to get to this level, man, it's just like, it's not only that I feel like it's deserved, but it's just like, I mean, what else do you expect, man? When you put in this much fucking work, when you put in this amount of money, when you're putting this amount of smart, intelligent decisions, when persistence breaks resistance, it's only right, and it only makes sense naturally. The laws of nature only make sense that success is gonna come after a while, and so that's kind of where I'm at right now, man. I think the excitement is there when you're a newbie and you didn't know what to expect, and then shit just goes in your favor, and like bam, you're a fucking superstar, you're rich, shit like that. Like that, it's exciting then. But when you've literally had to put blood, sweat, tears, sacrificing, sleepless nights, no friends, all that kind of shit like that, man. It's just like, yeah. it's nice to have it finally. You know what I'm saying? Like that's what it feels like. It's like, I mean, shit. I wish I had this stuff 5, 6, 7 years ago. I mean, it's better to have it now, but it's like, fuck, where was this shit at when a nigga really needed it? You know what I mean? So that's kind of where I feel about life right now, my recent successes, and just the future and what is in store, man. I really plan on when I start making some truly amazing money, I plan on not being so ignorant with it. I see a lot of ignorance on it, man. I would love to give back to YouTube. I would love to give back to the community, man. I want to do some big, great, amazing things. Yes, I want to look nice. Yes, that's just gonna come. So, you know, that's what it is, man. When this money starts coming in, first few things I'm gonna start paying for is obviously my credit card debt. I'm start paying debt off. I'll be debt free. I just gotta pay like 10, 15K debt free. What's crazy is this year alone, I could have paid all that shit off, but I spent all that money trying to learn, how to get rich. So, I'm gonna invest my money into paying my debt and then my health. I'm gonna start going to get a whole bunch of doctor appointments. I'm gonna actually start wearing my contacts and glasses a lot more. I'm gonna, invest it in my family. Help them get their situation. I'm gonna help my girl put a down payment down on her Lexus that she's been wanting to get, man. So, and I've been looking at either get a Vet or a Mercedes GLC 43 AMG. Yeah, that car looks, man. I kind of want an SUV out here, man. I'm tired of riding around with my soft top convertible, but yeah, that's really about it, you guys. Just wanted to update you on my life, man. Things are good, man. I can't wait to quit this healthcare job, man, on the phones, bro, because it ain't it, man. It ain't it. And so yeah, next week I'm looking forward to trading again because I think I got the strat, man. I got the strats, But anyways, it's your brother Trey, man. Y'all stay up. Your boy got a big bag of gas, man. Can't wait to blow this down. You heard? Don't do drugs though. But anyways, it's your brother Trey, man. I'll see y'all next one.